So once again welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about how to install custom ROM on your Realme C25. Before that you have to unlock bootloader on your device so you can able to install anything whatever you want without any restrictions. First thing you have to get into settings and find about phone. In that you have to go into the version, tap 7 types on build number to enable developer option. So please follow every settings without any skipping the video. Now you can see I have already unlocked the bootloader. So I am going into the bootloader, show the which settings you have to enable to perform the next operations. So you have to visit in developer option and find out OEM unlocking, which I already unlocked the bootloader as well as everything has been done. So I will show more process in further videos. You have to enable USB debugging as well as OEM unlocking. After these settings, you have to go install a APK called Deep Testing, which I will provide the APK link in the description. So after installing, I will tell you what you have to do in that application. So please follow every steps carefully. After installing the application, you have to open the application and start submitting your application. I have already submitted the application, so you can able to see the screen. Here are the few visuals I have been show how to perform the each steps during the submission. So you have to mark every settings and read carefully what are they are telling and start submitting your application by step by seeing these pictures. So after submitting you will have to wait few hours to get approval from the Realme team. After review goes successful, you have to click in start deep testing, so phone will be rebooted into fast boot mode. Now you have to install a MediaTek driver on your PC, as well as I will provide a platform tools to unlock a bootloader. So I am installing the MediaTek driver, but I have already installed, so I am skipping these steps, but you have to install completely and reboot your laptop once. After installing the driver, I have to open the platform tools to start the process unlocking the bootloader. So now I will type CMD and open the terminal window on the platform tools and start typing fastboot devices to know which device is connected to the laptop. So now I will type fastboot flashing unlock, which it will allow to unlock the bootloader on my device. I will show a visual to know what to do on the next steps. After fastboot flashing unlock, you will get this screen. Allow your bootloader yes or no. You have to allow yes. Make sure your data must be backup because this process will wipe your data. So must careful with this. After the process, your bootloader got successfully unlocked. You have to wait few minutes to let device will boot. It may take longer or sometimes shorter, so you don't need to panic. Don't touch anything. Must wait for few minutes, like 5 or 10 minutes. Your device will boot successfully. So in the next video I will show how to install custom ROM without required of PC, TWRP or root. So please stay tuned and subscribe to channel. So I will talk about more and everything which you have to do in the custom ROM.